I'm Lorena with Evolve Green, and we are going to do a review on Gosun Solar Oven. Gosun Solar Oven Sport. So, first thing you do is you prepare everything you need, which, check, we've done that. Now we open up this oven, and we're going to point this towards the sun. We just got to get the right placement for it. So, it takes a little bit before you got that, and then we'll be ready to go. Oh, here we go. You have to start off with your oven cold. So you must have all your stuff ready before you go. I've brought a heat gun just so as you can see that it's actually pretty cold out here right now. So we're sitting at about 9 Celsius outside the tube, and it's already 24, 25 Celsius inside the tube. So we don't know how long it's going to take. We don't exactly have a really full sunny day, but we are going to try out our Gosun Go and see how much it goes. So this is the Gosun Sport, as I mentioned, and it comes with this handy cylinder that you fill up. That takes about 3 steaks, average size. So I've filled it right to the brim. One thing I should note, for the cleaning part that you get with this, you get this cleaner, that part that would go right on the end here, and you would use it to clean your tube. I got mine at glenergy.ca, and they provided an extra screw here so that when you take the cleaner out, you just replace it with a screw and you don't have any leakage, so no leaking out that tube. So we're just going to slide this right on in, just like that. Make sure it's nice and tight. Then we're going to check out our angle to the sun, make sure that we're good. And it's about April here in Manitoba, Canada. So we're April 14th today, so still a little cold, and as you saw, there's still snow on the ground. We will be checking in on this, and my cameraman Dominic will be also helping out a little bit later, and then we'll check out and see how this is going on. See you soon. Okay, so rolling forward 2 hours, it is April 14th in Manitoba, Canada. The outside of the tube is 1 Celsius. This is the Gosun, and we're about to see our food is now cooked. Can we take a look at that? Ooh, look at that. And it is 83 degrees Celsius in there, but it's been cooking long enough that, as you can see, the meat is fully prepared and very juicy.
Oh yeah, and grease. Watch out for that.
Yeah, these do get a little bit of moisture. So the solar oven absolutely works.
The Gosun is a good recommendation for camping and other
If it can do
trips.
it, that's right, exactly. If it can do it in the low light that we have, oops, look at the juice coming out there. Here we go. Gosun Go. Positive review, 2 hours, complete meal cooked.
Yeah.
That's all for now with Evolve Green Reviews.